Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best GoPro camera in 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is no longer very easy to find. For instance, GoPro doesn't sell it directly anymore, but you can find it occasionally for around $200. Don't buy it if it's more than that, unless it comes with a ton of bundled accessories, because while it's a capable camera, the newer models offer a lot more. If you can find one for a bargain price and don't want to spend more, there's a lot to like about the Hero 7 Black. This was the first of GoPro's action cameras to include the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second. Number 4. GoPro Max. While not the best GoPro camera overall, the GoPro Max does have a major point of difference from the others, namely its ability to shoot 360-degree video. Unlike most 360 cameras, the GoPro Hero Max has a small display on its back that lets you view what its cameras are looking at. We didn't find it quite as handy as we'd expected, but the large display does make it easy to navigate and change the Max's settings without having to use your smartphone. The GoPro Hero Max also has a hyper-smooth stabilization feature, so your bumpy video will look nice and smooth, and image quality from the camera, up to a max resolution of 5.6K/30 FPS, lives up to GoPro's typical high standards. Plus, GoPro's app is loaded with features, including the ability to live stream video from the Max. However, the GoPro Hero Max's design requires the use of a selfie stick and lacks a tripod mount, so you have to use it with one of GoPro's accessories. GoPro's subscription offer is available here too, and brings the price down to $399 from its RRP of $549. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black was the first GoPro to have its mounting fingers built directly into the camera, which makes it a bit easier to attach accessories. You no longer need to use a case if you want to attach it to accessories, such as a tripod or helmet mount. Unfortunately, it also means that cases and lens adapters you had for older GoPros won't work with this model. The redesign also allows for new add-on mods, which increase the functionality of the camera through external mics, lights, and more. GoPro improved the motion stabilization to make the footage from the Hero 8 Black the smoothest we've seen from an action camera, until the Hero 9 and then Hero 10, at least, and the overall quality remains as great as ever. The Hero 8 Black has also been updated to work as a webcam, and its hypersmooth 2.0 video stabilization works with more video settings, though not as well as hypersmooth 3.0 and hypersmooth 4.0 on the Hero 9 and Hero 10, respectively. But for $279, it's the best GoPro under $300. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. While the outside hasn't changed from the Hero 9 Black, the GoPro Hero 10 Black sports a new and improved processor on the inside, which translates to video recording as high as 5.3K/60 FPS, as well as 2K video at 240 frames per second, and 4K video at 120 frames per second. On top of that, it has a larger 23MP image sensor, and manages to shave off a tiny bit of weight. What's most impressive is the Hero 10's upgraded image stabilization. In our testing, we found that the camera can be tilted by as much as 45 degrees while still smoothing things out. However, this puts a serious dent on battery life, which is unchanged from the Hero 9. But, you can use the same battery, as well as the same accessories, as before.